Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.com. Many confuse cognitive computing with artificial intelligence, AI, because of its design. However, cognitive computing is actually a subcategory of AI. In addition, cognitive computing can enhance RPA technology since it can handle large amounts of data, which can help organizations make decisions based on data. While AI enhances the benefits of RPA, similarly, unlike AI, cognitive computing still requires human intervention. Moreover, it can adapt to change but can't provide a solution for decision makers like AI. RPAs with cognitive computing support can help decision makers better understand and see patterns from large amounts of information through structured and unstructured data. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.